If you want to create a resume on Indeed, then here is how you're going to do it. So first things first, you're going to head over to Indeed.com, and then from there, you're just going to make sure that you are signed in to your account or you have already created an account. Now, once you're in your account, you're just going to be taken to the dashboard. Now from the dashboard, you're going to click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page, and then you're going to see this drop down menu. From here, you're going to click on profile, and then this will take you to your profile page. Now from your profile page, if you just scroll down a little bit, you can see this resume section. So from here, if you want to create a resume right from Indeed, you're just going to click on build an Indeed resume. Now from there, you're going to make sure that you fill out all of the details that are needed. So it's going to start with your name. You're just going to hit on continue, and then from there, you're going to enter your phone number. You're just going to click on continue. After that, it's going to ask you where you are located. You're just going to make sure that you enter all of the address that is going to be asked from you. You're going to hit on continue once again, and then from there, you're just going to add education. So all you have to do is to enter all of the education that you have, so the level of education, field of study, school name, and whatnot. Now once you're done filling out all of these details, you're just going to click on save. Now you can also skip this one if you don't want to do it yet. You can just click on skip, and then for this one, you're just going to make sure that you enter your work experience. And my tip for this is to be as accurate as possible, since your employers are most likely going to be looking at this more than anything else. Now, after that, you're going to have to enter some of your skills. So your skills will appear right here. We're just going to enter like some of the skills that we have. So for example, we have customer service skills. Let's say we have communication skills, we have leadership skills, Microsoft Office. You can go as you can add your hard skills and your soft skills as well. And if you cannot find all of these skills right here, you can just add a skill from here. So for example, we have an editing experience and we're good at editing videos. So we can just enter editing right there, or video editing, and then once you hit on enter, you will see it appear right here. Now after that, you're going to click on continue, and then from there you can add your certifications or licenses that you currently have if you have one. Now if you don't, you can just click on continue right here, and you're going to double check your resume if it's already ready. And after that, you're going to click on continue, and then you're also going to enter your job preferences if you have one, or you can also just click on finish right here. Now, as you can see here, your Indeed resume is ready to share, and that's it. That is how you're going to create a resume from Indeed. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.